In 2023, UPI processed transactions worth over $2.2 trillion, marking a significant increase from previous years. UPI is currently being used in 7 countries and promising to add 4 more countries this year. We will compare UPI with payment giants like Alipay and PayPal, and the results are shocking. The global financial system is changing. The traditional dominance of the US dollar is being questioned as new financial systems and currencies emerge. This shift is not just a fleeting trend, but a significant transformation in how global finance operates. For decades, the US dollar has reigned supreme. It has been the cornerstone of international trade and finance, a symbol of stability and trust. However, this supremacy is now being challenged as nations seek to diversify their financial dependencies. But now, countries are seeking alternatives. They are exploring new ways to conduct transactions and store value, moving away from the traditional reliance on the dollar. This search for alternatives is driven by a desire for greater financial autonomy and security. They are tired of relying on the dollar. The volatility and political influence associated with the US currency have prompted many to look for more stable and less politically influenced options. This frustration is fueling a global movement towards financial diversification. They are looking for ways to reduce their dependence on the United States. By diversifying their financial systems, countries hope to gain more control over their economic futures and reduce the risks associated with a single dominant currency. This shift away from the dollar is called de-dollarization. It represents a strategic move by nations to protect their economies from external shocks and to foster a more balanced global financial system. One of the most interesting developments in this new world order is the rise of India's Unified Payments Interface, or UPI. This innovative system has revolutionized the way people in India conduct financial transactions, making it easier and more accessible for everyone. UPI is a mobile-based payment system. It allows users to link multiple bank accounts to a single mobile application, enabling seamless and instant transactions. This has made financial services more inclusive and efficient. It allows for instant money transfers between bank accounts. This real-time payment system has eliminated the delays and inefficiencies associated with traditional banking methods, providing a faster and more reliable way to transfer money. It is incredibly fast, efficient, and low cost. The low transaction fees and high speed of UPI have made it a popular choice among users, driving its rapid adoption across the country. UPI's success in India has captured global attention. Its ability to provide a secure, efficient, and user-friendly payment solution has made it a model for other countries looking to modernize their financial systems. Countries are now exploring how UPI can be used for cross-border transactions. This could pave the way for a new era of international payments, reducing the reliance on traditional banking systems and the US dollar. This has the potential to challenge the dominance of the US dollar. As more countries adopt similar systems, the global financial landscape could see a significant shift away from dollar-centric transactions. It could reshape the global financial landscape. The rise of alternatives like UPI signifies a move towards a more diversified and resilient global economy, where no single currency holds all the power. The United States has long used the dollar's dominance to its advantage. The dollar is not just a currency, it is a powerful tool in the geopolitical landscape. Its influence extends far beyond the borders of the United States, affecting economies and political decisions worldwide. It has imposed sanctions on countries it sees as adversaries. These sanctions are not merely symbolic, they have real, tangible impacts on the targeted nations. By leveraging the dollar, the US can exert pressure without resorting to military action. These sanctions restrict access to the US financial system. They can cripple economies, cutting off vital financial resources and creating economic instability. The targeted countries often find themselves isolated from the global financial network, struggling to maintain their economic sovereignty. They have made countries wary of relying too heavily on the dollar. Nations are increasingly cautious, understanding that their economic stability could be jeopardized by overdependence on the US currency. This wariness is prompting a re-evaluation of financial strategies and alliances. These actions have raised alarm bells around the world. Countries are now acutely aware of the potential risks associated with the dollar's dominance. The global financial community is rethinking its reliance on the US currency and exploring alternative strategies. Countries are now realizing that the US can use the dollar as a weapon. This realization is prompting a shift in how nations approach their financial policies and international relations. The concept of economic warfare is becoming more prominent in global discussions. They are looking for ways to protect themselves from similar actions in the future. This includes diversifying their currency reserves, strengthening regional financial alliances, and developing alternative financial systems. The goal is to reduce vulnerability and ensure greater economic resilience in an increasingly uncertain world. UPI is rapidly expanding beyond India's borders. It is forming partnerships with countries around the world. This expansion is facilitating cross-border payments. UPI is currently operational in 7 countries: Bhutan, France, Mauritius, Nepal, Singapore, Sri Lanka, and the UAE. Additionally, agreements have been signed with Namibia, Trinidad and Tobago, and Peru to introduce UPI services, with discussions underway in 10 more countries. India aims to roll out UPI across 20 countries by 2029, enhancing cross-border trade efficiency and remittances. It is making it easier for people and businesses to send and receive money internationally. For example, UPI has partnered with Singapore's PayNow system. This allows for seamless real-time money transfers between the two countries. Similar partnerships are being explored with other nations. This is making UPI a viable alternative to traditional cross-border payment systems like SWIFT. One of UPI's most significant achievements is its role in promoting financial inclusion. In many developing countries, a large portion of the population does not have access to traditional banking services. UPI is changing that. UPI's mobile-first approach allows people to send and receive money using just their smartphones. This has brought millions of unbanked individuals into the formal financial system. It has empowered them to participate in the digital economy. UPI processed 117.6 billion transactions in 2023, surpassing major global platforms like Alipay and PayPal. A strategic gambit: geopolitics fueling UPI's rise. The expansion of UPI is not just about technology, it is also about geopolitics. India sees UPI as a way to enhance its global influence. It is actively promoting UPI in countries that are looking to reduce their reliance on the US dollar. This strategic push is gaining traction. Countries are increasingly receptive to UPI's value proposition. They see it as a way to diversify their financial relationships. They see it as a way to reduce their vulnerability to US pressure. Challenging the greenback: UPI's potential impact. UPI's rise has the potential to chip away at the dollar's dominance. As more countries adopt UPI for cross-border transactions, the demand for dollars could decrease. This could weaken the dollar's value. It could reduce the United States' leverage in the global economy. However, it is important to note that the dollar's dominance is deeply entrenched. It will take a long time for any currency or payment system to seriously challenge the dollar's position, but UPI's emergence is a sign that the global financial order is evolving. How does UPI stack up against other global payment systems? Let's take a look at some of the most prominent players in the digital payments arena and see how they compare to UPI. Alipay and WeChat Pay. These Chinese giants dominate mobile payments in China. They have created an ecosystem where users can do everything from paying bills to booking flights, all within a single app. But they are heavily reliant on QR codes. This means that users need to scan a code to make a payment, which can sometimes be cumbersome and less flexible. UPI's use of mobile numbers and virtual payment addresses is more convenient. Users can make payments directly to a mobile number or a virtual payment address, making the process seamless and user-friendly. PayPal is a global leader in online payments. It has been around for decades and is widely trusted for online transactions. But it often charges high transaction fees. These fees can add up, especially for small businesses and frequent users, making it a less attractive option for everyday transactions. UPI transactions are typically free or very low cost. This makes it an appealing choice for users who want to avoid the high fees associated with other payment systems. Brazil's Pix system is similar to UPI. It allows for instant payments and transfers, making it a convenient option for users in Brazil. It is gaining traction in Latin America. As more people adopt Pix, it is becoming a significant player in the region's digital payments landscape. But UPI has a head start in terms of international expansion. It is already being used in several countries outside of India, giving it a broader reach. SWIFT, is the backbone of international bank transfers. It has been the standard for cross-border payments for decades, but it can be slow and expensive. Transactions can take several days to complete, and the fees can be quite high, making it less ideal for quick and cost-effective transfers. UPI offers a faster and more cost-effective alternative. Transactions are completed almost instantly, and the costs are minimal, making it a superior choice for many users. Venmo or Zelle. These US-based systems are popular for domestic peer-to-peer payments. They are widely used for splitting bills, paying friends, and other small transactions, but they are not widely used for cross-border transactions. Their focus remains primarily on the domestic market, limiting their utility for international payments. UPI's combination of speed, efficiency, low cost, and open architecture gives it a distinct advantage. It is designed to be flexible and user-friendly, catering to a wide range of payment needs. It is well positioned to become a leading player in the global payments landscape. With its robust features and growing international presence, UPI is set to revolutionize the way we think about digital payments. The future of finance. UPI's transformative potential. UPI's rise is a testament to the power of innovation. It is a reminder that technology can disrupt even the most established industries. UPI has the potential to transform global finance. It can make financial transactions faster, cheaper, and more accessible. As UPI continues to expand globally, it will be fascinating to watch its impact on the global financial system. Will it usher in an era of greater financial inclusion? Will it erode the dollar's dominance? Only time will tell. Stay connected. Join the conversation. Thank you for joining me on this exploration of UPI's potential. The world of finance is changing rapidly. It is crucial to stay informed about these developments. To get more insights on global affairs, subscribe to the channel, like, and share the video. Let's continue the conversation on the comments below.